What's up, everybody? Sweet Crypto here, and today we're gonna do a splash of airdrop. So splash of right now, $2.20. We're giving away to my team members. Gonna make this a short, sweet video. I'm talking really fast because my fifth time recording it because I've had pop-ups the whole time. Team, if you're not on my team, you won't get any. But if you are on my team, you will get the airdrop. To get on my team, in the description would be like splash of team. You copy the address and you put it in here. Yeah, let's do this giveaway. Well, giveaway, team airdrop. We're gonna do directs, minimum deposits. We're gonna do, how much splash do I have? Oh yeah, we'll do all of it. And get participants. And yeah, so select all and send. All right, everybody's gonna get, it looks like about a little over one splash, I think, right? Or about one splash, I think. Since of like this whole entire, splash, a little downfall splash. Hopefully it's just momentarily. I haven't been making that much with splash, which kind of sucks. So hopefully that in the future, like next couple months, that it goes back up to like $20, and then I could give away huge airdrops. You guys don't remember, like when it was at its peak of $50, I was giving away like $300 airdrops, $400 airdrops. So I was making that a day, right? I think one time I gave away $500 for an airdrop. So I hope it goes up. I like doing those big airdrops. It's fun. Yeah, but that's the airdrop, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.